Stop right there. If you're about to buy a new iPad, put your wallet away. You really need to hear this first. Apple is planning something massive for 2026, and if you buy a tablet today, you might deeply regret it in just a few short months. Have you noticed how incredibly quiet Apple has been about their base model iPad? The standard, everyday iPad is completely missing in action. There's been no big event. There's been no special announcement. We have been waiting for the 12th generation iPad for months, and absolutely nothing has happened. Many people are wondering if Apple forgot about their most affordable tablet. Why is Apple holding back its cheapest and most popular device? Let me tell you, it is not a mistake. It is a very careful, calculated plan. Apple is hitting the giant reset button on its entire tablet strategy. Right now, the basic iPad costs around $349. It runs on the older A16 chip. It is a good device for watching videos or reading, but it firmly belongs to the past. Apple is stalling the release on purpose. They want to push the entire base model into the future of Apple Intelligence. They simply cannot do that with old processors. The 12th generation iPad is now fully expected to launch in March 2026. When it finally arrives, it is going to make a massive jump. It will skip right over the A17 and go straight to the highly powerful A18 chip. This is a massive shift for a budget-friendly device. Moving from the A16 to the A18 is a huge leap in raw power. It changes absolutely everything about how you will use this tablet. This new chip will allow the cheapest iPad to fully support all the new Apple Intelligence features. You will get smart writing tools, amazing photo editing, and a much smarter Siri. Apple clearly wants every single tablet in its lineup to run AI perfectly. They do not want to leave anyone behind. To make this AI dream happen, the new 12th Gen iPad will also get 8 GB of RAM. This is a massive, long overdue upgrade for an entry-level device. You will be able to do so much more at the exact same time. Your heavy games will run incredibly smoother. Your favorite apps will open much faster. Switching between tasks will finally feel flawless on a basic iPad. There are even exciting whispers about Apple adding special support chips. Things like the N1 could make your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections much faster and more reliable. But the real star of the show here is the pure speed and memory. Now, you really should know the truth about the design. Do not expect a brand new look. Visually, the standard iPad will look exactly the same as before. The body shape we saw 2 years ago is staying. It will still have a USB-C port, but it will probably be stuck at slower USB 2.0 speeds. It will also only support the older Apple Pencil with USB-C. It will not work with the fancy new Apple Pencil Pro. There will be no amazing OLED screen here. There will be no super smooth promotion display. It will be the same screen you already know. That lack of design change proves exactly why it was delayed. Apple did not want to release a device that looked the same but could not run their new AI software. They chose internal power over outside looks. But wait, the story gets better. The standard iPad is not the only thing coming in March 2026. Apple is also bringing us a brand new iPad Air. It will still come in 2 great sizes. You can choose between the 11-inch model for travel and the big 13-inch screen for work. The biggest news here is the brain hidden inside. The new iPad Air will step up to the incredible M4 chip. Apple always likes to keep the Air just one step behind their highly expensive Pro models. Since the next iPad Pro will likely have the M5 chip, putting the M4 in the Air makes perfect sense. This makes the Air unbelievably fast. It will rival most laptop computers. Leaks also tell us the new Air might get a surprising boost up to 12 GB of RAM. This means you can run heavy video editing apps, open dozens of internet tabs, and play huge games without breaking a sweat. Sadly, the screen on the Air is not getting a massive upgrade just yet. It will still be a standard LCD screen running at a basic 60 Hz refresh rate. This might be the very last generation of the Air before Apple finally brings beautiful OLED screens to the middle tier. Now, let's talk about the absolute most exciting part of 2026. Later in the year, the iPad mini is getting its biggest and most dramatic update in years. The mini is about to become an absolute monster. Rumors strongly say it will skip standard chips and jump straight to the A20 Pro chip. This is a slightly smaller version of the exact same chip that will power the massive iPhone 18 Pro Max. Think about that for a second. That is unbelievable, raw power packed into such a tiny device. It will handle the heaviest graphics easily. But that is not even the best part. The new Mini is strongly rumored to finally get a stunning OLED display. It will also get the super smooth 120Hz promotion technology. Everything you touch will feel instantly responsive. Scrolling will look like magic. Colors will pop off the screen, and deep blacks will look totally perfect. This completely changes the Mini. It takes it from a simple reading tablet and turns it into a true premium semi-pro device. You will still get fast USB 3 speeds for moving large files quickly. However, all these amazing premium features are going to cost you. Right now, the base iPad mini is around $499. With a beautiful OLED screen and a massive Pro chip, a price increase is almost guaranteed. A bump of $100 makes a lot of sense for this level of upgrade. That would push the starting price of the new Mini up to $599. In my opinion, 2026 is the year the iPad finally makes total sense again. Apple is cleaning up the mess in their lineup. By giving the absolute cheapest model the A18 chip, they're proving that buying a budget tablet does not mean buying an obsolete tablet. If you're a student, or if you just like watching YouTube videos and browsing the web, that 12th gen iPad is going to be the absolute best value for your money. You will get many years of fast, reliable performance without spending a fortune. But honestly, the real winner here is the Mini. Putting an OLED screen and promotion into that perfect small size makes it the ultimate travel companion. It is going to be a portable powerhouse that you can take anywhere. If you're willing to pay that extra $100, the 2026 Mini is going to be the most exciting and fun tablet of the entire year. It is exactly what Apple fans have been begging for. If you liked the video, subscribe to Educational Hub. Share the video and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech.